application can help you track your families if they're anywhere in the world. I'm pretty much sure how to do that using this application. Stay tuned. This is pretty much the login or say home screen after you're finished creating your account. So what you do from here is very important. So here you have the join in a circle, which pretty much enter in your invite code. Let's say somebody already created an account and they want to add you in the circle, meaning anywhere they're going, you're gonna know. Anywhere you're going, they're gonna know. So it's either you're gonna add to their or join their circle, or you're gonna be the one that's the creator of the circle. So let's tap on get started. So this is pretty much the option. You can either use a device, can add that device to this application, or you can create a circle. So I'm going to just go ahead and create a circle. I'm going to give my circle a name as well. Continue here. And this is the code that they're going to need to enter. So this code is active for a limited time, guys. Most of the times when you get in an invite code, it's going to limit it for a period of time. But all you have to do is download the application on your family or your brother, your sister device, and let them create an account. Once they have created an account, they enter this information here. Once they enter this information here, they'll be added to the circle, and you both will be sharing the locations. In circle, let's say you're the person, you're the father, can just skip out that information. Do make sure you enable these, but you can do that later. So they just tap on this, continue, and so forth. So tap on skip, allow, no, and yes. So this is pretty much the official home screen of the application. And as I can see here, you will get a map as well. So as I can see here, you will get a map. But it will be more accurate once you have allowed the notification and also for all stuffs. So at this shooting icon here pretty much locates you immediately where you are. Down here is where you're gonna add people. Let's say for example you can add your pets, meaning adding the item. So you can add your pets as well. And the key is pretty much the item as well. So pets on the key is the item. So here you can tap on add or invite people. Once you tap on this option here, you'll be able to share the code. Once you share the code, they'll be into the circle or your family. So once you're into the circle, you both will be sharing locations. So that's pretty much it for that there. And down here is a help option if you're in trouble to notify you. Also, it will notify if there's any crash or whatever the case is. So in the settings option here, you have different things which can enable. So in the manage circle option, you can change your roles, you can change your admin status. You can also set bubbles, meaning certain areas they won't be able to track your location, meaning privacy and so forth. So nothing much for that there in the account section. Just your login, just your information and so forth. So nothing much for that. And also flight detection, jet detection and so forth. Do recommend enabling these, but they are enabled by default. So once you have turned on your location, both of you turn on your location and so forth, you'll be able to see both of you on this map. So both of you will be showing on the map wherever you are. Will be shown here. So you can also join a different circle if you don't want just only your family in it. You can join your friend circle. So you can have both your friends and the family. You'll be tracking both of these people. So that's pretty much it for that there. And also at the top here, you can send a message to your friends as well. So you have the message icon at the top here, which you can also use to send your message to your friends. So that's really pretty much it for this. And down here you have the safety option. Nothing much, but you can enable these features here. But nothing much for these are just some different features. As you can see here, crash alert, which I do recommend to enable, but it does require a subscription. So you have some other alerts which can enable as well. So more security features, guys. So over here you can go and promote the subscription and the prices for the subscription. You also get a 7 days free trial, which you can try the application. And if I scroll here, you can see this is just the gold subscription. If I go into platinum subscription, I get even more features, but with prices increase. So depends on feature, whichever subscription you want, all based upon you. So that's really pretty much it. And down here you may see the runs that everyone's that connected within the circle have taken, drives they have taken, and so forth. All you have to do is just tap on your profile at the top here, and I can see their phone usage, their speed, that if they was in a car, they're walking, everything, guys, everything. So if I miss anything at all, comment below. Glad love to assist you. And with all that, guys, you should subscribe my channel with notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next one.